Hello families, here to do one of the home learning activities for the last week in May, and it is called Shape Hunt. So you can go and find different shapes around your home, put them all together like how I put them all together, and then talk about the name of the shapes and how do you know that it is that shape, and then sorting the shapes. So I am gonna first name the objects. We have a pillow, tissues, remote control, sock, mug, picture frame, and storybook. Let's start with the biggest object. What shape is the pillow? It's a square. How do you know that it's a square? Because all of the sides of the pillow are the same. That's how I know that it's a square. What shape is the book? Also a square. So then it should go with the pillow, right? Because they are both what shape? Squares. What shape is on the sock? Diamonds? How do you know that they're diamonds? Well, they have points at the bottom and the top, and they have 4 sides. So I'm not going to put the sock with the squares, right? What shape is the remote control? A rectangle. How do you know that it's a rectangle? How would you describe this remote control? It has 2 longer sides and 2 shorter sides. That's how I know it's a rectangle. Not all the sides are the same, like the square. What shape is the tissue? Also a rectangle. How do you know? By looking at it. Two longer sides and 2 what? Shorter sides. So it goes with the remote control. Why? Because they're both what? Rectangles. The remote control is longer, isn't it? Or taller, and the tissue is shorter, but they're both rectangles. What shape do you see on the mug? A circle. How would you describe a circle? Curvy, round. Do I put the mug with the remote control and the tissue? No, why not? They're different shapes. So the mug has its own place. The picture frame, what shape? Sometimes if you feel it, that will help you identify the shape. It's an oval. How do you know it's an oval? It's round, it's curvy, and it's longer, right? Or skinnier than a circle. So do I put it with the, should I put the picture frame with the mug? No, why not? They're different shapes, aren't they? And we sorted these objects by the shape. So there's the squares, the rectangles, the diamonds, the oval, and the circle. Now you could sort these in a different way. You could put all the shapes together that have straight sides. And then you could put all the shapes together that are curvy and round. So I encourage you at home to collect objects of different shapes and identify the name of the shape. How do you know that it's that shape? And then sort them in a creative way. And then please share some of the pictures through email. I would love to see what you're doing at home.